Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Top 5 Best RC Car. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this RC car. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. The very next RC car we have CKYSCHN Wltoys V2 RC Car. This car is made with all-metal chassis. With a cool appearance and an all-metal chassis, the exquisite workmanship gives you a different experience. We all know that good shock-absorbing system means good stability. In this car, you will get a four-wheel independent shock absorber system. Using a hardware shock absorber, you can effectively reduce the vibration when driving at high speed and make the ride smooth. It can meet obstacles and can effectively reduce the impact force and is adaptable to multiple terrains. Gears are without a doubt subjective things. If you have good material gear, you can have an excellent performance. This car toy is provided with zinc alloy gear. Using this zinc alloy gear, durability and performance have been significantly improved. Its body is made with high-strength aluminum alloy with strong stability. Motor. Because of adopting 550 high-power drive motor, it can provide a speed of 60 km per hour. The power this car has is faster than the same type of car. It has 2.4 GHz telecontrol system. And 2.4 GHz has great advantages, even if there were other people operating of cars in the same space. The frequency will not be interested in the same frequency. No matter the chassis or the tires, they are carefully selected through a series of high-quality materials with higher toughness and wear resistance. We can finish it up with LARZACK W2435 RC Car. There's a unique thing in this car. You will get a built-in 1080-pixel high-definition camera in this car. Real-time picture transmission is a must-have quality in these cars. With this rotating camera, you can have real-time picture transmission. You can connect to the mobile phone through Wi-Fi to control, which can transmit the pictures seen by off-road vehicles in real time and take photos or videos. Controlling system is an important thing in cars and vehicles. In this car, you will get an extra feature. You can use 2.4 gigawatts remote control to operate or download the app to connect to the mobile phone through Wi-Fi to control it. Shock absorbers and off-road hollow texture tire are desirable in these off-road terrains. You will get an independent shock absorber, off-road hollow texture tire. It is compact with concave convex texture hollow tire, independent shock absorption, compression durable, and strong grip. You will get full-scale acceleration, high-speed mode, and standard mode. The throttle speed can be adjusted to be higher or lower. It is compact with dual-mode motion system. According to different situations, you can select the appropriate sports mode for sensitive operation and high playability. Having all the suspension system and tire quality, you will get an excellent performance and find this car easy across all terrain. It is provided with 4 volts 500 mAh large capacity module chargeable lithium battery, strong power, and long-lasting battery life, which will provide you with happy and continuous power. Furthermore, we have Camfly Q102 RC Car in our list. Power of a car is important for racing. A powerful car is praised and liked by almost everybody. This car is featured with powerful high-speed motor to go faster and conquer all terrain. It will allow you to speed up and drift to leave everything behind in the blink of an eye. It can be considered as the king of the field. You can get full speed with full scale. With full proportional acceleration, you can toggle the throttle to drive at the speed you desire. It has 4-wheel suspension system that has been built well to stably grip the ground regardless of terrain, and cushion the impact from the undercarriage or the car body. Durable and anti-skid off-road tires are very desirable for these cars. This one has durable and anti-skid off-road tires. The groove textures and threads on the surface of the tires provide great traction to benefit the process of driving on various terrain. One thing that is common in these cars is being crashed. People crash these cars a lot, so if the body structure is strong, then it's a match. The car is made with acrylonitrile butadiene styrene eco-friendly casting to resist crash and shatter with great flexibility and durability. You will find some cool and pretty lights in it. With the bright, cool lights in the evening, you are free to play and enjoy. They will add a cool vibe to your evening. We can start things off with SPGCM SCY 16103 RC Racing Car. The performance of cars depends on the motor most than other components. It has high torsional motor that can improve off-road performance and power. The design of this car is very practical. It looks like actual rock crawler cars. The suspension system is great and makes it a great rock crawler car. The steering gear is good too. It has 4 anti-skid tires, and the tires adds extra points in those things. The 9.5 centimeters diameter off-road tires has hollow soft rubber. The all-around remote control is fine and works fine turning forward, backward, right, and left. The chassis is a spine of a car. It's like a skeleton. The high-quality chassis is strong enough to fight strong obstacles and rocks. Up next, we have RC flat running drift car in our list. Multi-directional cars are amazing to watch. The more direction it can move to, the more it is fun to operate. Just like normal cars, it can move forward, backward, left, and right, but it can also move sideways. And you can watch it on our video, that how cool it is to watch it moving like that. It has a special deformation function, and it can rotate into different deformations. Its flexibility and speed will without any doubt surprise you and bring a variety of rotation-altering actions for your child. You or your kids will be able to be the attraction of the crowd because of this car. You have to wear the device in your hand. If you hold the finger button and swing your hand up to transform the car. And there are different ways that you can operate it with the gestures. It has 3 control ways: remote control, gravity sensor clock control, and motion sensor control. Children will easily able to learn to control these toy cars according to their needs. 360-degree rotation is a cool thing to watch. The design of the car varies the beauty, and this car has a particular design that looks awesome with the 360-degree rotation. The whole package of features is perfect to make it a favorite car of your child. The cool features and unlimited fun will give your children a wonderful operating experience and visual effects. Our rotating vehicle is an ideal remote control car toy gift for boys and girls as their hobby RC car.
If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.